Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Pilot brake light. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and parked on a level surface for safety. We'll start by locating the brake light assembly, which is typically found on the rear sides of your Pilot. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll typically find two screws holding the taillight assembly in place. Remove these with your Phillips head screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire assembly straight back from the vehicle. Be careful not to force it. Then, locate the brake light bulb socket, twist it counterclockwise, and pull it out. With the socket in hand, carefully pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, try to avoid touching the glass part with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket until it's securely seated. This ensures a good electrical connection and proper function. Now, let's put everything back together. Twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it back into the taillight assembly. Carefully align the taillight assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Reinsert and tighten the two screws you removed earlier. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.